Have you ever wondered what really happens inside your body to make your muscles grow? Imagine transforming your physique just by understanding and applying a few simple biological principles. Today, we're diving deep into the science behind muscle growth. And trust me, it's as fascinating as it is important for your bodybuilding journey. Every time you lift weights, do you think about how each rep is sculpting your body? You should, because every time you challenge your muscles, you set off a cascade of events that results in stronger, bigger muscles. Here's how that magic happens. Your muscles are made of fibers that can thicken and multiply. When you perform resistance exercises, these fibers undergo strain, which causes microscopic damages. Sounds scary, right? But fear not. This damage is precisely what your body needs to start the muscle building process. Think of it like sending out a repair squad. Every time you lift, it's like you're telling your body, hey, we need reinforcements here. Once the muscle fibers are damaged, satellite cells on the outside layer of the muscles spring into action. They multiply and go to the damaged areas to fix them. Isn't that like having your own muscle medic team on call every time you hit the gym? But the tale doesn't end with satellite cells. There's a hormonal cocktail that gets mixed every time you train. When you stress your muscles, your body releases anabolic hormones such as testosterone and human growth hormone. These are the substances that give you that pumped feeling after a workout and significantly contribute to muscle growth by enhancing protein synthesis and rebuilding your muscle fibers even stronger. The exhilaration you feel when you see your muscles beginning to bulge is real. But remember, proper rest and nutrition are just as crucial. Overtraining can turn your dream of a great physique into a nightmare. So, next time you're about to skip leg day because it's too hard, remember this. Your muscles grow on challenge and rest, not comfort and neglect. Now that you understand how muscles grow, are you curious about what else happens inside your body? Check out our next video, What Happens During a Heart Attack, popping up on your screen now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you get informed each day as we upload a new video that could literally save your life. Also, drop a comment below and share your workout achievements and questions. Keep pumping and keep curious.